Killing two birds, or in this case, two moth species with one stone. Why do we want to do that? Because it's cheaper and it's easier. But life is not always easy. So this is the project on false codling moth performance under oriental fruit moth mating disruption. This is the scenario. We have stone fruit orchards. We have two major moth species on stone fruit, the false codling moth and the oriental fruit moth. We have FCM mating disruption to control FCM. And we have OFM mating disruption to control OFM. So are we going to use both products in one orchard? Or can we maybe use OFM mating disruption to control FCM as well? So why would we consider using OFM mating disruption to control FCM? Well, they have the same sex pheromones, but only in different ratios. But then again, there are variation in FCM pheromone ratios between FCM populations. But OFM ratios are constant. That's why we can't do it vice versa. So how are we going to test this question? We use this brilliant technique of releasing sterile FCM moths into the orchards to increase the number of moths in the orchards. We had 3 FCM mating disruption orchards, 3 OFM mating disruption orchards, and 3 no mating disruption orchards, our control orchards. We had 8 traps per orchard, 4 traps 15 meters from the middle and 4 traps 30 meters from the middle. And then we used a central release point for the sterile moths. Our results showed that we had no sterile FCM moths under FCM mating disruption. We caught more sterile FCM moths under OFM mating disruption, and we caught the most moths in our control orchards. We also had a look at the wild moths that we caught. So under FCM mating disruption, we caught almost 0 wild FCM moths. Under OFM mating disruption, we caught more moths. And in our control orchards, again, we caught the most moths. We also did a fruit damage assessment, but remember there are no correlation between the trap counts and the fruit damage. So in the first year, 2016-2017, the blue graph, we had 4 orchards that had FCM damage. But in 2017-2018, only 1 of the orchards had FCM damage. So the conclusion is, under high FCM population, OFM mating disruption will not be effective enough. There are cases in which an off-blend of pheromones are effective for mating disruption, but for FCM, the natural pheromone blend will be more effective. So 2 dead birds, 1 stone, it just doesn't add up. Thank you.